Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about some functions named as sum, length, join. So for suppose we want to calculate some average of a list. So you have a list where you have given the height of every student in a class. So for suppose I have a variable called named as height, and then I'm going to make a list here. So we have 5 students here. So average height we want to calculate, and these heights are in centimeters. So first of all, to find the average, we need to know that what is the total sum of these items or of these elements. So for that, I'm just going to create another variable named as sum1, and then I will give here function name named as sum, and here I will enter the list. Alright, and the another function that I'm going to pick is that is length function. So for that I'm going to just give here that num as a variable. Num means that how many students are there in our list, and then I'm going to write our length function and again our list into the length function, and now print sum1 divide by num, as this is the formula to find the average. So the total sum of the height of all the students divided by total number of students, and then we will get the average. So let's print this out, right click and then run the sum. As you can see, we have got the average height as 75.6 centimeter. So this is a little project that to know about that what is the average height of class 8th or class 9th, and these functions are really normal to use in our programs. We're gonna use them in our daily programs, so these will be in your habit for sure. Now let's talk about join function. So join allows you to print out your list in a better way. Imagine you have got a list of friends here. Alright, so these are your friends and you want to print out that as these are my friends. So my friends are list 1. Alright, so here we will, as I have already told you that what is f string. So if you haven't watched that video, you can just go to my previous video and watch there. Probably here in the I button you can see that. And now let's just print that out. So as you can see, we have got here as a list here, and we don't want square brackets and these quotation marks. So what we're gonna do here, we will going to use join. So how do we use join? So for that, let's suppose create another variable named as join1, and then I'm going to just give here quotation marks and then comma, a space and then dot join, and here I'm going to just give my list 1, that is my list of friends. And then if I go and print with f string my friends are join1, do not forget to use curly braces, and let's check out. So here you can see the difference. The difference is clear. We don't have any square brackets and any quotation marks here. So what does join function do? So join function is going to get the different values in the list and is gonna join them together using the comma that we have used as a separator here. First of all, this will take this Kartik element and then it will join it with the comma here. and then it will just print that out here. After that it will take the second element, again it will add the comma, and then again it will put it into the string. So this is a little bit different function that we have used so far, so don't worry about it. As we will use it many times, you're gonna get habitual of it. So I just want to repeat it again, that it will take all the elements together and make a long string, and the comma and space is used as a separator here. So I hope it's all clear. We have talked about sum function and len function, and we have used another function named as join. So these three functions we have used in this video. I hope you are all clear. If you aren't clear, please write the comment below. I will try to reply as many comments or queries as I can. So stay tuned for the next videos and stay safe. See you in the next one.